In this video, I am going to show you how you can change your phone number on Google Meet app. To change your number on Google Meet app, open the Meet app. Here, tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and you will find change your phone number. Tap here. Here it says let people reach you with your phone number. Which one is your current number, and there is an option to add a new number. Tap add a new number. Type your number with the country code, whichever country you are in, and type your phone number. After typing your phone number, tap continue. You will get a verification code on this number. Enter the code and complete settings. By this way, you can easily change your Google Meet phone number. If you have any problem to verify your phone number, you can watch this video. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.